In this video, we're going to be solving equations by factoring. In 1, it says solve each equation by factoring. In A, we have x squared minus 4x is equal to 5. And the first thing they want us to do is move all the terms to the left-hand side. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And now we want to factor the left-hand side. And x squared minus 4x minus 5 factors to x minus 5 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. And remember, we needed two numbers that multiplied together to give us negative 5 and added to negative 4. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, and negative 5 plus 1 equals negative 4. And now we want to apply the zero product rule. So we can say that this equation would equal 0 if x minus 5 is equal to 0, or if x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the equation would be 0 if x was equal to 5, or if x is equal to negative 1. In B, we have 4y times y plus 3 is equal to 4y plus 5. And the first thing they want us to do is simplify the left-hand side. And we're going to simplify the left-hand side by distributing the 4y through the parentheses. So we get 4y times y is 4y squared. And 4y times 3 is equal to 12y. And that's equal to 4y plus 5. And now they want us to move all the terms to the left-hand side. So we're going to subtract 4y and subtract 5 from both sides, and we get 4y squared plus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. And now they want us to factor, and 4y squared plus 8y minus 5 factors to 2y plus 5 times 2y minus 1, and that's equal to 0. And now we want to apply the zero product rule. So we're going to say that 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, or 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. And for the first equation, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So we're going to have 2y is equal to negative 5. And now divide both sides by 2, and we get y is equal to negative 5 halves. In the second equation, we're going to add 1 to both sides, so we have 2y is equal to 1. And now divide both sides by 2, and we get y is equal to 1 half. So our equation is equal to 0 when y is equal to negative 5 halves, or 1 half. In C, we have x plus 5 times x plus 3 is equal to 35. And the first thing they want us to do is simplify the left-hand side. And we're going to do that by FOILing out our two binomials. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 35. And now we're going to subtract 35 from both sides. So we have x squared plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. And now we want to factor the left-hand side. And x squared plus 8x minus 20 factors to x plus 10 times x minus 2. And that's equal to 0. And now we're going to apply the zero product rule. So we have x plus 10 is equal to 0, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 times x plus 3 is equal to 35 when x is equal to negative 10 and x is equal to 2. In D, we have x squared minus 9 times 3x squared minus 20x minus 7 is equal to 0. And the first thing they want us to do is factor completely. X squared minus 9 is a difference of two squares, and it factors to x plus 3 times x minus 3, and 3x squared minus 20x minus 7 factors to 3x plus 1 times x minus 7, and that's all equal to 0. And now we want to apply the zero product rule. So our equation is equal to 0 if x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So our equation is equal to 0 if x is equal to negative 3, or if x is equal to 3, or if x is equal to negative 1/3, or if x is equal to 7. And that's our video on solving equations by factoring.